So this is the box you get, and you get your aligners in there. The whole process seemed really easy and much cheaper than you would get at your local dentist. And also everything's done remotely. Straight Teeth Direct are really good at answering all your questions and giving you the best advice. They've got loads of videos showing you how to care for your aligners. The thing I like the most is how responsive they are and how easy the whole process is. Very easy to put in. Invisible, no lisp. I really recommend Straight Teeth Direct. I think it really is the best solution, the easiest one, the cheapest one. Thank you very much, Straight Teeth Direct.